Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Wild Harvest gut cleanse subscription. Okay, so basically when you buy any product on their official website, if you forget to untick the subscribe and save option, they will activate subscription. You know very well, if they are going to charge, if they already charge on your account, so how you can cancel it. If they already deduct money from your account, they are not going to refund your money. Okay, so this is the first thing. And if we talk about like how to cancel, you just need to simply visit on the official website, and once you are on the official website, there is an option subscription portal. You need to click on this link. Okay, subscription portal. And when you they will redirect you on this screen. In this screen you need to enter your email. Okay, and once you click send subscription login link, please make sure you provide right email, where your register email you need to provide, otherwise they will not send you any link. Okay, so when you click on send subscription login link, you need to open your email, and in the email they will provide you a link, and by using the link you can log in into your account and you can cancel your subscription. This is the one option if this method will not work for you. So in this case, in the another method you can try, you can compose an email. The email format you can see in the end of the email. You need to ask a proof of cancellation also, you need to add a proof of cancellation also. Once your email is done, you need to send the email at their email address. The email address is support@try-wildharvest.com. This is the email available on their official website. Once they receive your email, they will, you can say like provide you confirmation, and they will, you can say like cancel your subscription. Okay, and if you don't get any proof of cancellation from their side, it means your subscription is still active, and in upcoming month, in the next month, they are going to charge on your account. Okay, so there is one more method by which you can cancel your subscription. You can cancel your credit card which you have used while placing your order. You can cancel your card, you can get new card, and when you get new card, all the unwanted subscription, all the subscription will end it automatically, and they are not going to charge on your account. So these are the only options by which you can cancel your subscription. There is no other way, there is no other options, there is no other method by which you can cancel your subscription. Okay, so these are the things. Now if you have any problem, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.